I want to go faster!
Hey everybody, my name is Jendrik. I'm a musician and theater actor from Germany. Now, Visit Norway is challenging me to step out of my comfort zone with 10 different challenges.
Oh God, are you ready?
In taking on Norway.
And slide to the right. Step, left, and to the right. I want to go faster! Yeah! Whoa! Woo! Oh! The wind out there. Oh! Letter! Hi Jendrik, hope you're having fun. Yes, I am. Today's challenge is not only an Olympic sport. What? It will also be the fastest and scariest of all your challenges. Good luck. Well, this means I'm about to die, I guess. Let's do it. Let's die. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Jendrik.
Hi, Mia.
This is apparently what I'm doing today.
Yes, so this is the exact same track they had in the Olympics 1994. This is as close to Olympics you'll get, most likely. We're gonna start with this one,
Okay.
which is kind of like the milder form, like the child version, because it only goes 100 kilometers an hour.
Only goes 100 kilometers. Oh God.
So it's a good warm-up, because afterwards you're gonna do something called a skeleton. That means you'll be on your stomach, head first, alone down the track.
Oh shit. We can brake if we want to, right?
No.
We cannot brake?
No, if you go too slow, you might tip over and crash on the side.
Oh, it's scary, isn't it? This is scary. So when we did the sledding, I had brakes. I don't have them here. I think that's the scary part. I'm a bit nervous because it looks already very steep going down there. It's all ice. Let's do it. I'm nervous, but I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
All right. Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God, that was so much fun. Didn't expect it to be so much fun. You're like really like woohoo, and you're like woohoo. Oh, it's crazy, crazy. I'm not sure if I can do it alone though.
I'll be with you all the way until you start sliding, then you're alone. But until then, I'm here. First, we need you to read through this, and we have name and signature that we need from you. But it's basically, since you did bob raft, a lot of it is the same. you know, problems with the neck, heart, lung, and stuff like that. Yes. All right, so we need you to do that first, and I'll start preparing other stuff.
Be aware of that it is a pressure on your neck or back. 2.5 G means that your body will feel about 2.5 times as heavy as usual. This is the first time I actually have to sign anything for any challenge. So this means it's getting serious. We're going up now for the skeleton. Trying to have it right now. The right mindset. That's the thing, isn't it?
Come over here. Just lie down on your stomach. It's basically 3 things you need to remember when you go down. Number 1 is shoulders down. So if you try and lift up, you're gonna get a lot of air underneath here, and then you might just peel off like a banana peel. So number 2 is elbows in.
Elbows
straight.
in.
Keep them straight. If they pop out to the side, it's gonna hit the walls.
Like that?
Yes. And now the feet go together and off the ice. Not that much, just a tiny bit. Now.
Shoulders down, elbows tight, feet up.
Yes. When you come at the bottom, if you just keep lying like this, you're gonna go backwards. So you have to get off the skeleton and then turn sideways.
So it doesn't float
So
back.
it doesn't slide.
I can feel my heart pumping, so this is going to happen now. Okay, I think I'm ready.
You got this.
Fucking hell, that is so sick. Oh my god. Oh, so much relief. Oh my god, it's not comparable. Ich hab's gemacht. Oh, fuck.
You did pretty good.
Did I?
We drive between 60 to 70 seconds.
How about did I?
62.
Was I?
62 seconds.
Wow! What an experience. What an experience. I'm so glad I did it. Oh, I loved it, but also like you're so in the zone. You cannot see anything. It's like really, it's white, different whites, and you're like, this is not real. What am I seeing? And then you close your eyes because you're tearing up. So then you're just feeling it.
You're alive.
Yeah, thank you so much.
My colleague said you actually did really good.
Yeah, I think it was tense. Like I didn't move at all.
But that's good.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why you did it well.
Thank you for this experience. It's crazy. I think I peed my pants a bit.
You did amazing. I'm really proud of you. And you had actually one of the best times throughout the whole day.
I did.
Yes, you did. And of course, you are now worthy a certificate.
Thank
As a
you.
proof that you did this, you went down the Olympic track here in
Yes.
Lillehammer. So
Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
To evaluate, thank you for convincing me to do this.
Well, I'm glad you did it.
Yeah, because it was really cool. Like seriously, during the whole ride, I couldn't talk or scream. I just was so concentrating.
That's good. Yeah. it's a memorable moment, you know. As I said, you'll always remember this.
And everybody can do it, right?
Everyone can do it, yeah.
So thank you so much for
You're
that.
welcome.
And thank you, Visit Norway, for this crazy experience. So please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.